Hi everyone, Brandy here at Stouffville Toyota. I'm just standing in front of a few of the RAV4s that we have in our pre-owned selection. We have a number of pre-owned RAV4s all the way from our LE front wheel drives all the way up to hybrids. We have an SE hybrid, an XLE hybrid, lots of pre-owned RAVs to choose from. Most of them are one owner lease returns, bought here, serviced here from our amazing clients that we do have. Again, Stouffville Toyota. We are one light north of Stouffville Road on Highway 48. We have those four that you saw here, as well as all of these beautiful RAV4s. We have a 2018 SE Hybrid. We have a 2018 LE. We have a 2017 SE Hybrid, 2017 LE, 2017 XLE Hybrid, and on. So be sure to give us a call here at Stouffville Toyota and get yourself into one of our quality Toyota certified pre-owned RAV4s. Again, I'm Brandy and you can reach me at 905-642-6688, extension 227, or brandy@stouffvilletoyota.ca.